Hello everyone, Trader Vader welcomes you all to this new video on Nifty analysis and live trading. So the market has opened up about an hour back. We see that yesterday the market was pretty sideways most of the day, and then it kind of closed in the middle. Today the market opened up, gapped up a little bit, but if we see, it took resistance around this area, which was near to the high of yesterday's opening, and slowly and steadily it's coming down. So this I've marked here is the support for today, which I would like to trade. This is the zone in this area. It stayed for quite some time, did not fall down, so I'm expecting that when the price comes down to this level, I will be looking forward to some sort of price action and then some sort of trend line breakout, and then probably I'll take a trade on the buying side. So let's see how the market goes. All right, guys, so today we have booked risk to reward of 1:4 in the call options, 17,700 call option. The options were moving very slowly today. 5-10 rupees movement was taking a lot of time, but all in all, a good trade, guys. So if I'll just explain the logic behind this trade. So as I was saying earlier, let me just pull up the spot chart. So I was just waiting for some sort of price movement around the support area, but it didn't really come up to the support area on the spot chart. And if we look at the trend line, if I draw the trend line like this, it kind of broke here. Now, what makes it interesting is, even though it didn't reach the support area on the spot chart, if we look at the options chart, because we'll have to think about how the sellers of the options are thinking. And if we go to the 5-minute time frame and if we look at the chart, then we see that this is the support zone of the options, which means that anybody who has sold on the upper area, whoever has sold options on the upper area, will be looking to book some profits on this particular support area when the price comes to this zone. And on the support on the options chart, if we see, then this particular breakout, this trend line breakout, let me show you in the 1-minute time frame. This trend line broke here, and then a little bit of retracement was around this zone here. There was some retracement, and when this retracement broke, guys, here is where I have entered the call option around this area. I entered the call option somewhere around 133. So that was my entry point. It did show some weakness after that. It tried to initiate some fresh selling around the VWAP, but I was pretty much confident that it probably will sustain, because it came to that zone already here, if we see. So if it is coming here, probably people who sold here will be scared and will try to square off, and that is exactly what happened. This candle tried to take the stop loss, but as I don't put stop loss in the system, I kind of survived this. And then from here, it gave me the targets in a very single flick. So all in all, a pretty good trade, guys. Since the movement was pretty sideways and the market is kind of slow within a range, I did not take a very I didn't target a huge, I would say, profit targets. So my risk was around 4 to 5 points. My target was, initially it was around 10 points, but 1:2. But when I saw the momentum, I increased the target to around 150, and I exited around 151. So somewhere around here, I exited somewhere around here. So all in all, it was a risk to reward of, I would say, make it 5 points. Okay, so risk to reward of around 4, I would say. Yeah, so pretty good trade, guys. Enjoy the trade, enjoy the live trade video after this. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.